Where in the Herd is Tiffany, where we talk about travel, lifestyle, and mental health. Follow me on Instagram at Sweet Tiffies, Twitter at Sweet Tiffies, Facebook at Sweet Tiffies Inspirations, and the website tiffany-travels.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
California Gold Rush, 1848. So, well, because at the time they got some gold in California, so they decided, okay, so let's do that. So they went to Asia. They went to China to find out what? Take a look at this picture. What you see from this picture? At that time, the Chinese economy wasn't that good. People desperately need a job. You can see their face.
This Bank of America is unique because it has the Chinese architecture. On the bottom is Bank of America, and on the top is a Buddhism temple. I'm trying to figure out the significance of this. The Notorious B.I.G., the women, but then there's this kind of figure right here that's significant for a Chinese comic book. So Notorious B.I.G., not sure what's going on right
here. In a house.
So we are in Chinatown. This Chinatown is the biggest Chinatown in the USA. And can you guess where we're at? We are in San Francisco, California. So you'll see many of the shops around here. You'll see places to eat. You'll see, I love the lanterns. Their colors are red and gold, which are beautiful. Red is my favorite color, so that's lovely. And you'll see shops. And let's turn around. What is this building right here?
This one? This one?
Yes, this one right here.
This one here. So this one right here, it's actually a family. It's a very rich family in Chinatown. So that's why they're a rich family. That's why you can see they even have their own flags in the middle.
Okay.
You see that? That's on the right side is the flag of China.
Okay.
On the left, of course, the U.S. There's their own flags.
Oh, they have their own flag.
Yeah.
And shout out to my sorority, Zeta Phi Beta. We were incorporated in 1920. So yeah, there you go.
Got it.
Okay. And these are a lot of good food shops. I'm pretty sure the food is absolutely delicious.
Yeah,
right?
they're authentic as well.
Authentic restaurants. So you guys have to come out here, take your whichever restaurant you want, and look at their streets and rows and miles of places to eat. Can you guys see the San Francisco Bridge? There's a lot of places to see this around the city, and Chinatown is one of them. So we are in a fortune cookie store. What's the name of the store, CJ?
Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory.
Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company. There you go. So check this place out right here. And she is the owner?
Yes, they're family owned.
Their family owned business. Here is a fortune cookie right here. It's different than what we normally see, which is this right here with the message inside, but these are still the same. So if you like fortune cookies, come check this place out. We are in an alleyway. Do you remember Rush Hour? It was filmed here in San Francisco. Jackie Chung is jumping from here and there and everywhere. But this is the alleyway. Here we are. This quote says, "Be like water." What is the significance of this? Well, the Chinese people first came here in the early 1900s. There was a big earthquake. And during that particular earthquake, there was a fire which burned down 80% of the city. And so because of that, they had to reconstruct the entire city, and it's what you see now. So their quote became "be like water" because that's just kind of mean fluid, That means that change is always gonna come and that everything will always be better. There you go. Welcome to Chinatown, San Francisco. Come and check it out. The biggest one in the USA. I am here. I'm going to get a massage really quickly. I'm in Chinatown. Okay. Okay, hey y'all. I just finished getting a massage. I'm in Chinatown. I just did a 20-minute massage. I guess it was a little weird because I'm used to them using the like lotion or some type of oil. There was none of that. And as you can see, I still have my clothes on. I think this is the first massage where I didn't take my clothes off. So she just massaged me over my clothes, and I think for my back, she did touch my back underneath my shirt. Hilarious. I don't think my butt has been touched more on a massage than this one. My butt got rubbed down, I feel like, the most. So that is hilarious. There's actually a timer. I don't know if you can see this timer right here. She actually like put on like a 20-minute timer. I've never seen that either. It just makes it seem like it's just okay, we're gonna do exactly that and nothing less, nothing more. So I would prefer if there wasn't a timer, because I can hear the timer go off probably at the 10-minute mark and then at the 20-minute mark. And like I said, it was different because I'm used to like oil. Like I have dry skin, so I need that oil for that massage. I love massages, definitely not my best one, but I'm in Chinatown, and so I wanted to try out some of the things that they have here. All right, I shall talk to you guys later. Okay, hey y'all, I'm at a restaurant called Hinodea, so we're still in Chinatown. You can hear the music in the background. Sounds like some slow R&B, so probably a good place to come and eat. Here are my chopsticks, and I just ordered something called dim sum, which are dumplings. I don't know if you can see that. They have meat in them, there's a lemon, and then there's like the sauce for it. So I cannot really use chopsticks like that, but we're gonna try it. Oh yay, I picked it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip it in the sauce a little bit. That's supposed to be a spicy sauce, and then we're gonna taste it. Let's see what it tastes like. That's pretty good. The dumplings are filled with like meat inside of it, so it's pretty good. Or if you're ever in Chinatown, get a dim sum. I just wanted something simple to try while I was here to make the experience even that much better. Okay, so nice little restaurant called Hinodea. Check it out in Chinatown, San Francisco. This is the Montgomery BART station, so this is the one closest to Chinatown. It was about a 7-minute walk this way down Montgomery Street. I would say one of the best things about being in San Francisco is it makes me walk. Like when I'm at home in LA, I get in my car. In San Francisco, I just don't have that option. So it's nice to get out and walk, feel the sun, feel the air, get your exercise in. Great way to get your exercise in. So I'm gonna miss the walkable city.
Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button.